Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis and insights. Today is February 12th, 2025, and we're diving into Exelon's recently released fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me. Exelon, as the largest utility company in the U.S., has just released its financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their earnings performance to their future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Exelon reported a net revenue of $5.47 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024. John, how does this compare to their profitability metrics?
Exelon's adjusted earnings per share for the fourth quarter came in at 64 cents, which is a solid performance. For the full year, they reported an adjusted EPS of $2.50. This indicates a strong profitability stance, with a net income of $647 million for the quarter.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this performance?
The increase in utility earnings, driven by higher distribution rates and lower costs, played a significant role. Additionally, Exelon benefited from tax deductions and lower storm costs, which helped boost their bottom line.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts were forecasting an EPS of 59 cents for Exelon, but the company reported an adjusted EPS of 64. What does this tell us?
This is a clear beat of 0.05 cents over the forecasted EPS, which was based on a survey of 5 analysts. It shows that Exelon has outperformed expectations, likely due to effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
How might this impact investor sentiment?
Beating EPS forecasts generally boosts investor confidence, as it suggests the company is managing its operations well and is on a positive trajectory. This could lead to a favorable market reaction.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, Exelon has provided guidance for 2025. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives and future outlook?
Exelon has set a 2025 adjusted EPS guidance range of $2.64 to $2.74, indicating confidence in continued growth. They've also declared a quarterly dividend of 40 cents per share, reflecting a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders. Additionally, their capital expenditure plan of $38 billion over the next 4 years aims to support customer needs and enhance grid reliability, with an expected rate-based growth of 7.4%.
That's quite an ambitious plan. How does this align with their long-term goals?
These initiatives are aligned with Exelon's focus on grid modernization and reliability, which are crucial for meeting future energy demands and supporting sustainable growth. The projected 5 to 7% annualized earnings growth through 2028 underscores their strategic vision.
Operational efficiencies and risk management. John, operational efficiencies seem to be a key theme in Exelon's report. Can you discuss how they've managed costs and risks?
Exelon has effectively managed costs by reducing storm and contracting expenses, which has positively impacted their earnings. Additionally, nearly 90% of their rate base is covered by established cost recovery mechanisms, which mitigates financial risks. However, they did face higher interest expenses and increased depreciation and amortization, particularly at BGE and PHI.
How do these factors influence their overall risk management strategy?
By securing cost recovery and managing operational expenses, Exelon is better positioned to handle financial uncertainties. This approach not only stabilizes their earnings, but also supports their long-term financial health.
Key takeaways. In summary, Exelon has delivered a strong performance for the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with a full-year adjusted EPS of $2.50. Looking ahead, their 2025 guidance and strategic initiatives indicate a promising future. John, any final thoughts on Exelon's investment prospects?
Exelon's robust financial performance, strategic investments, and commitment to shareholder returns make it an attractive option for investors seeking stability and growth in the utility sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Exelon's performance in the comments below.